Looking to update your Instagram username? Here is a quick guide on how to change it in just a few simple steps. First, open the Instagram app. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. Tap on Account Center at the top. Select Profiles and Personal Details. Select your Instagram profile from the list. Tap on Username. An informational pop-up may appear explaining that changing your username affects. Tap OK to proceed. Now, delete your old username and type in your new one. Once you're happy with it, tap on Done. And that's it. Your username has been successfully updated. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.